Today, in this video, I'm going to explain Honor X6 hard reset or pattern unlock. Completely disable the phone by using the power key. Connect your phone to the computer and simultaneously press the power button plus volume up. Release all keys once the Honor logo appears, indicating entry into recovery mode. In recovery mode, use the volume rocker to navigate to the clear data option and press the power key to select it. Choose the factory reset option, enter S when promoted, and confirm the factory reset to proceed. Once the reset procedure is completed, touch back and select Restart to activate the phone. The hard reset operation will finish in a couple of seconds. After the reset is complete, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.